Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, today we will learn economic subjects in 11th standard. Chapter 6 Market. Market means the place where purchase and sale of commodities and services. It is called a market. The buyer and sellers get in contact with each other directly or indirectly for the sale or purchase of goods or services. It is called market. According to Professor Semul, market is the functional system where the buyers and sellers contact each other to decide the price and the quantity of goods or services. Characteristics of market. First, numerous sellers and buyers. Second, goods and services. Third, contact. In a topic of contact, teleshopping and online shopping. Fourth, price. Fifth, information about the market situation. Numerous sellers and buyers. The goods or services which is exchanged for their personal objects is known as purchase sale process. Generally, the aim of buyer is to get maximum satisfaction and the aim of seller is to get maximum profit from the sale. If a producer does not take decision on the basis of demand of buyers, the producer is thrown out of the market. That is reason why customer is called king of the market. If there are no sellers in the market, the demand of the buyers cannot be satisfied. Many big companies have market research department, MRT. Second is goods or services. The existence of a commodity or service which is to be bought by buyers and to be sold by sellers is must be available. If buyers want to buy certain goods, if it is not available with the sellers, the process of exchange cannot come into existence. Third, characteristics of market contact. For the existence of a market through exchange of commodities, it is necessary that buyers and sellers are in direct or indirect contact with each other. Such a contact is possible by face-to-face meeting at a particular place through agents or brokers, or indirectly through mail, telegram, telephone, telex, fax and other means of communication. In a topic of contact, first teleshopping, where the buyers themselves order the services or products through a telephone. Second, online shopping, where the buyers order the services or products which they select on websites via internet. Thus, by the means of teleshopping and online shopping, the buyers and sellers can come indirectly in contact. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Mitra. Fourth characteristics of market: price. At a given time, the price of the product or service must be decided in the market. The price is decided according to the demand and the factors related to its supply. In the market, price of the commodity is fixed through the demand and supply factors. Generally, in the market, price of the goods is determined through the demand of goods or services by buyers and supply placed in the market by sellers. The price of product and services depends on the demand made by the buyers and the ability of the producers and sellers to supply them. Fifth characteristics of market: information about the market situation. For the existence of the market, buyers and sellers has to know the current situation of the market. This type of information are obtained by consumer and sellers through direct or indirect sources of media. Decisions related to production, distribution and purchase can be taken during the times of recession, inflation, natural and man-made calamities. If any national or international factors create or natural or political situation changes, then it affects the demand and supply of any goods or services, and on that basis proper decision of production, purchase or sale are taken. Classification of market is done on the different basis of measurement. Classification can be done according to place related, form of the goods related, time related, control related, quantity of goods related, restriction related and competition related. But the classification of market is mainly done on three contexts. First, place related. Second, quantity of goods related. And third, from the viewpoint of competition. According to place related, market can be divided into four types: local market, regional market, national market and international market. Local market means the market where the products and services are produced and sold at the same place are called local market. For example, market for clay utensils, etc. Regional market means when the selling of the products and services is limited to a region or state, then it is called regional market. For example, Gari of Surat, regional films, regional books, etc. National market means when the products and services are purchased and sold throughout the country. Then the market, it is called national market. For example, dairy products, sari market, Hindi novels, etc. International market means the trade of the commodity or services which are not limited only to a nation but to many countries of the world are called an international market. This market is also known as global market. Purchase sale of this market is known as import export. According to quantity of commodity or services, the market can be divided into two types. First, retail markets. Second, wholesale market. Retail market means commodities which are sold and bought on small scale in the market. It is called a retail market. For example, sell in grocery shop. Retail market have usually higher price than the wholesale market. The trader of retail market are purchased the quantity of goods from the wholesale trader. These goods are sold in small quantity to the customer in retail. It means that trader of retail market is a customer of wholesale market. Thus, trade of retail market is an important link between customer and wholesale market in India. They perform the important role by satisfying the main necessity of the customer. Wholesale market means the market in which goods are sold in bulk, large quantity. It is called a wholesale market. For example, crockery market in Madhupura, Ahmedabad, and grain market in marketing yard, etc. In wholesale market, trader purchase the goods in large quantity from the producer. These goods are sold to the retailer as per their requirement. Competition based market divided into two parts: perfect competition and imperfect competition. In a topic of imperfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition and oligopoly.